What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday, almost Friday, almost time for the weekend. I'm Mike. I'm from Myoelectric Outdoors, and today I'm going to talk to you about these different sockets. Okay, there's a few different types. This is a skin fit, meaning my skin touches the actual inner socket. The inner socket is this black piece you see right inside. Okay, so this arm is partially on right now. I'm going to show you guys how I do this. This is basically a sock, a donning sock, I guess you would call it. So it goes on your arm like a sock on a foot. Fish it through this tube. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a flesh colored tube. Press down. Pull. Pull it right on. Now, if I can find it, here it is. This is a check valve, one-way valve, meaning air can escape, but air cannot get back inside. So, while keeping pressure down, slide this in. I don't know if you guys can see this. Slides right in here. Make it about flush. Close the valve, and now you got a good suction. Air can't get back in, but air can escape. Alright, skin fit, meaning the skin is directly inside the socket. Now, another type is liner fit. This is another arm I have, which is right here. See, Myoelectric Outdoors. Okay, different setup. Okay, this is silicone liner. It's custom measured, so it's custom fit. Fits firm, and you roll this inside out, set your arm in, and roll it on. This is very, very reliable. It holds the arm on more than probably any other setup out there, at least that I've ever used. And what's good about this is if you are using heavy, if you're lifting heavy objects, you're outside, you're sweating, you're perspiring, it's gonna stay. This type, you start losing suction, you may need to take this off periodically. You know, I can get a full day out of it, but if you really start to sweat, you should take it off, dry your residual limb, reinsert. Okay, it's very comfortable, allows you to breathe, while this, as you can imagine, it's silicone. It basically, think about it. That's how far. That's the difference. This is all covered, so you can't breathe. Any moisture stays inside. These need to be boiled. You need to boil these for about an hour. A good every few days to once a week, depending on the time of year and what your hobbies are, what you do, and it's just basically specific to the individual. Alright, this pin here, this goes down into the arm. You can see the hole in there. It goes in and it clicks right in. Hear that? Now if you take this, it can't come out. Alright, very reliable. And also, I want to talk about the hand. Alright, this hand, I got an on and off switch, which is sort of in an odd spot to show, but press and you hold. Hand's moving, so it's turned on. If you're wondering why I'm looking at the bed, I'm looking at the phone. It shows me what's going on. Alright, so here's the hand. This is a task hand. Opens and close. Wrist rotator. Back and forth. So this has different grip patterns. See how the fingers meet on a point. Alright guys, well, I don't want to get too deep in this hand tonight. I want people to ask me questions about the different liners and the different fits. before we get too involved in the hand. Alright, I'm going to have some reviews coming up on the task at hand. A couple on this greifer. Alright, basically a work tool. And some other hands. Okay, so stay tuned. And this channel will be a lot different. We're going to get outside. We're going to do some tasks. Show you how these hands work. And have a little fun. So thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe, share, like, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.